Peter's still sleeping? Don't fall off the bed.
So still in a blanket. It's turning into a blanket, Steve. Just like me.